What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Samsung S20 Plus 5G. We're going to do an unboxing and I'll share my thoughts about this phone. If this is your first time here on the channel, I do a lot of tech unboxings and reviews just like this one. So if you want to see more content, consider subscribing. Here are the quick specs of this phone. The phone has the latest Snapdragon 865 processor. It's super quick and can handle anything you want to do on the phone. The base model comes with 128 GB of fast storage, more than enough to store all your images and download a lot of movies from Netflix. And if you need more storage, you can add a micro SD card of up to 1 TB. It has 8 GB RAM, so you can be running a lot of apps at one time and it won't slow down or stutter. You can go back to apps and continue right where you left off. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor which is reliable and secure. And it also has an IP68 rating, meaning that you can submerge the phone in water of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and it should be okay. The S20 Plus also has a large 4500 mAh battery that will easily last you through the day, and if you don't use your phone a lot or use it conservatively, it can last up to 2 days. Now let's get into the unboxing. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G variant, as you can see from the bottom. So opening up the phone, what we see right away is the phone itself. It feels really good in the hand, but we'll get to the phone later. Let's first see what's in the box. So inside the top of the box, there's another little box. In here, you get a pin to open up the SIM tray. And inside, what we get is a quick start guide. Now, I don't know if anybody actually reads these anymore, but it's a nice little quick start guide in case they don't know how to set up their phone or they need basic feature helps. After removing this Samsung flap, we see the 25-watt super fast charging brick. This brick can charge the large 4500 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in just a little bit over an hour. And it takes USB-C. Good to know they're incorporating the latest technology. In the next package, we see a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is a really nice and high quality cable. This is also used for data transfer. And we get one more thing. Now, a lot of phones these days are not coming with headphones anymore, but Samsung still provides headphones. That's a really nice bonus. And you won't need an adapter or anything. These headphones connect directly into the bottom since they are USB-C headphones. And these are also tuned by AKG, which is a acoustics manufacturing company. So you know these will sound really nice. So this is all the stuff you get in the box. The phone, a USB-C to USB-C cable, headphones, and the charger. The Samsung S20 Plus has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a tiny little hole punch cutout for the camera. The display is really sharp and has great vivid colors that pop out more and give it a contrasty look. It comes standard on the Full HD Plus mode, which is 1080p, but it also has a WQHD Plus mode, which is 1440p resolution and is a sharper display than Full HD, but it comes with some trade-offs. Using WQHD depletes the battery faster than Full HD mode, and it's a noticeable amount of battery. You can get around an hour to an hour and a half more battery if you use Full HD Plus mode. The display also has 120Hz capabilities, while the regular is 60Hz. What this means is that regularly phones refresh the screen 60 times in a second, but 120Hz doubles that. It refreshes the screen 120 times in 1 second, making the phone a lot smoother and much more enjoyable to use. It uses more battery, but definitely worth it. This year, Samsung really improved their cameras a lot and added some great features and some new ones that I don't think are quite ready yet. The Samsung S20 Plus has a great quad camera system. First is a 12 megapixel wide lens. Then there is a 64 megapixel telephoto lens which can zoom in 3 times without losing quality and zoom 30 times digitally, but there will be a loss of quality there. Then comes a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, perfect to get more people into the shot or for a landscape shot. Finally, there's a 0.3 megapixel depth lens. You don't really take pictures from this lens, it's really just to help the main camera take better portrait photos by giving a better sense of depth to really blur out that background and keep your subject in focus. This is the picture quality you can expect from the Samsung S20 Plus. I'm going to show you photos of the front facing camera and the rear facing camera and also some portrait photos. See how the quality is? It's really nice and it does a good job focusing on the object. This is the 4K quality at the same time. Here is a quick tour of the phone. Starting off with the home screen, you have your main apps here, which is all customizable. Swipe to the right, you will find more pages. If you swipe to the left, you will find this Samsung Media Center where they give you news, music, and app suggestions. From the home screen, if you swipe up, you will get the app drawer where all your apps are stored. Swipe down to go back home. From the top, swipe down and you have your drop-down quick menu where you'll find buttons for Wi-Fi, volume, Bluetooth, flashlight, and airplane mode, as well as your notifications. Swipe down from the top one more time and you have a lot more buttons for different functions such as data, power saving mode, screen recorder, and sharing your screen. At the top, you can turn off your phone or go into settings or customize your quick panel buttons and layout. The Samsung S20 Plus is a near perfect phone. It has great internal specs, a really good camera system, and an amazing software that's easy to use and is customizable. If you're looking for a top of the line Android smartphone, this will last you for the next 2 to 3 years. You will definitely not be disappointed with this phone. For most people, this would be the phone I would recommend. It has a really good size and feeling to it, as well as great features. Well, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll be doing an iPhone 12 review soon, so subscribe for that. See you guys later.